Imagine this. Your family is growing, your needs are changing, and suddenly, your cozy home feels like it's shrinking. The thought of moving to a bigger house crosses your mind, but leaving behind the tree-lined streets, friendly neighbors, and everything you love about your community, that's a hard no. But what if there was a way to have it all? A second story addition could be the answer, giving you room to grow without giving up your roots. You might be wondering, where do I even begin? That's where Wrona Construction comes in. Taking on a second story addition is an exciting journey, but it's one that starts with careful planning and smart choices. First up, making sure your home structure can handle the extra weight. You'll also need to get the right permits. Narberth has some pretty strict rules when it comes to building heights, how close you can get to property lines, and how much of your lot you can build on. That's why teaming up with a local architect who knows the ropes is so important. At Wrona Construction, we've guided countless homeowners through this process, helping them navigate the rules while bringing their visions to life. Let's talk money for a second. You're looking at about $150 to $300 per square foot for the project, depending on the design and materials you choose. And don't forget about some of the sneaky extra costs, like finding a temporary place to stay, fixing up your yard after construction, or even higher property taxes down the road. Still, it's often cheaper than buying a bigger home in the same neighborhood. The whole process usually takes 3 to 6 months. It starts with protecting your home and tearing off the old roof. The big construction phase, things like framing, roofing, and putting in windows, typically lasts 2 to 4 months. After that, crews finish up the inside work, like insulation, drywall, flooring, and updating your HVAC, plumbing, and electrical systems. One awesome perk of building now: you can make your home more energy efficient. Think about adding high-performance insulation, energy-saving windows, or even solar panels. Don't forget to plan how the new space will flow with the rest of your house with the help of a good architect. As you design the space, think ahead. Flexible rooms that can adapt to your future needs are a smart choice. Wider doorways can make aging in place easier, and using sustainable materials is great for the planet and your home's value. When it comes to financing, there are a few ways to go. Home equity loans often come with good interest rates and possible tax benefits. Construction loans can roll into a regular mortgage once the work is done. And refinancing your current mortgage to cover the costs might make sense if rates are low. You'll also need to decide whether to stay put during construction or move out temporarily. If you stay, contractors can plan noisy work to minimize disruption. Either way, keeping your neighbors in the loop goes a long way. And don't forget to update your home insurance to reflect your bigger, better house. The best part? A well-planned second-story addition usually adds serious value to your home. Just make sure you don't go overboard for your neighborhood. The key to success is assembling the right team. Look for architects and contractors with experience in second-story additions and Narberth's unique building rules and styles. That's where Wrona Construction can make a big difference, offering expertise and a personalized touch that ensures your project stays on time, on budget, and aligned with your vision. If you found this guide helpful and want to learn more about home improvements and real estate trends, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At Wrona Construction, we help homeowners build their dream spaces, one project at a time. We'll see you in the next one.